Welcome to MK Prime Studies. Dear students, we are going to launch Lawcet 2024 coaching, which is available online only as of now. Here we provide you the preparation plan as well as guidance. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the eligibility of Lawcet 2024, then syllabus as well as the examination pattern. And you all know that already the TSCHE, Telangana State Council for Higher Education, has released the examination date, that is June 3rd, 2024 is the date for the Lawcet examination. Whether it is 3-year LLB or else 5-year LLB or else PG LSET. So let us try to understand the variation between these courses. So we are MK Prime Studies, myself S. Madhukiran, who is having 14 years of experience in teaching general studies. I teach legal aptitude as well as polity, which is known as Indian Constitution, which is very useful for Lawcet. And also I'll handle the general studies subjects as well as current affairs. Here in this video, we're going to discuss about the latest released notification. There is TS Lawcet as well as PGL Set 2024, which is conducted by Usmania University on behalf of TSCHE, Telangana State Council for Higher Education. So, since last 3 years, Usmania University is conducting the Lawcet examination. So, Usmania University, that is University College of Law, is conducting the Lawcet computer-based test. So, it is completely a web-based examination, but not OMR-based. So, today, that is 28th February 2024, a detailed notification was being released by the Council for Higher Education, which gives us the details of eligibility, examination fees, then age criteria, then about the syllabus pattern, examination dates as well as important dates regarding application last date, etc., etc. So let us try to understand it. So first of all, coming to the Lawcet 2024, what is Lawcet 2024? So Lawcet is a common entrance test for law examinations. So this is a completely a state level law entrance test. So this is an entrance test for the people who wants to become a lawyer, who wants to aim for advocate general, attorney general, prosecutor, district judge, then junior civil judge, or else high court judge, or else Supreme Court judge, justice, chief justice. So for those people who wants to become like a professional lawyer, who want to serve the nation, so for them Lawcet is a very good opportunity. So here comes Lawcet 2024 notification, which gives us an opportunity to pursue this course in 3-year LLB or else 5-year LLB, or else the people have already finished law or pursuing law, that is whether they are in the final semester, that is sixth semester of LLB for 3 years, and 10th semester of a 5-year LLB. For them it is a PGL set. So June 3rd is the date for all these examinations. And coming to the qualifications, eligibility qualifications, so it is for 3-year LLB, any degree from BSc or BCom or else BA or BBM or else BTech. People who have pursued their BTech, Bachelor of Technology, or BE, Bachelor of Engineering. So these people who have graduated from any university with minimum pass marks, so they are eligible for 3-year LLB, because already you have done your graduation. So further you are pursuing another graduation. So it is a professional graduation which is for 3 years. and for the people who have done their intermediate, and for them, or else people who are writing the intermediate second year examination right now in the 2024, for them it is 5-year LLB course. That is from MPC or else BPC or else CEC or HEC or else any polytechnic, any vocational courses, so which is being recognized by the Board of Intermediate of the state, Telangana state. So they are also eligible to pursue 5-year LLB. Okay, following. So the next. So coming to the eligibility criteria, it is must and should that they must obtain the degree in this pattern: 10th class plus intermediate, that is for 2 years, and then degree for 3 years. And for that is for 3-year LLB, and for 5-year LLB it is a 10th class plus 2 years intermediate or any equivalent, that is vocational or polytechnic. And coming to this is the pass marks. Of course, you know that minimum pass marks for OCBC is 45%, and for OBCs it is 42%, and for SC/ST it is 40%. And coming to PG Lawcet, that is PG LSET. So it is people who are holding the degree of 3 or 5-year LLB, so they are eligible, and even the final semester students are also eligible to obtain this. So for them also the minimum qualifying marks is pass marks, that is 40%, 42%, and 45% in case of OC and OBC. Coming to age limit, you know that this is a professional course and there is no age restriction. Any person who have finished intermediate or else who have finished degree can obtain this law course irrespective of the age. Means a person like 21 years, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, even 80 years person can also obtain this law. So this is a very good opportunity. So I found that like many people who have got retired from army, banking, then railways, etc., etc. So they pursue LLB courses. So like because out of their interest, they are pursuing a LLB, and they also join courses. So every year we find that at least 5 to 6 students are from retired persons, because there is no age restriction. Okay, following. So as per the Bar Council of India, so any person can seek admission into LLB course 3 years or 5 years as per their qualifications. And coming to the fee, it is 900 rupees for OC and OBC. For Lawcet, and for SC/ST it is 600 rupees. And for PG Lawcet it is 1100 rupees for OCBC, and for SC/ST it is 900 rupees. So this 900 for Lawcet or 600 rupees for Lawcet is for 3 years as well as a 5-year degree. So as per your requirement, okay, fine, whether you are going to appear for 3 years degree or else 5-year degree, you need to pay this fees as per your criteria. Then coming to the last dates or important dates. So the application starts commencing from 1st March 2024. So the board, that is TSCHE, accepts online applications from 1st March 2024, and the last date of submission of the application without late fee is 15th of April. And with late fee of 500 rupees it is 25th April, and with late fee of 1000 rupees it is 5th of May, and with late fee of 2000 rupees it is 15th of May, and with late fee of 4000 rupees it is 25th of May. So the examination falls on June 3rd, 2024. So therefore a week before also you can apply for the Lawcet 2024, but you need to pay extra fee of 4000 rupees, friends. So yeah, as per your category, so OCBC 900 rupees plus 4000 rupees if you're paying on or before 25th May, that is after 15th of May to 25th May. So my sincere suggestion is, so as soon as possible by like 10th of March or 15th of March, or by the next month, you just finish applications. And coming to the date and time of the examinations, so all the examinations, that is 3-year degree, 5-year degree, as well as LLM, so all this falls on 3rd of June only. So 3rd June. And the timing is different, of course. In the morning hours it is 3-year LLB, and in the forenoon it is a PGL set, as well as even the 5-year degree also in the forenoon. And the medium of test is very interesting. You see, you can appear the examination in English or in Telugu as well as in English. The question paper, which is a CBT, computer based test, it comes with English language or else Telugu and English language, and then Urdu. Even Urdu medium students can also appear the examination in Urdu language itself, and only for PG LSAT it is English. So English only for PG LSAT. So there is no multiple languages like Urdu or else Telugu is not allowed here. So vernacular language was being excluded here. Only English is being there. The next, coming to the regional centers. In Telangana, you see, you can appear from any major regional centers like Hyderabad, West or else East or else North or else Southeast. Then Nalgonda, Kodad, Khammam, Karimnagar, Siddipet, Sattupalli of Khammam district. The next, Warangal, Nizamabad, Adilabad, Narsampet of Warangal district again, Mahbub Nagar, then Sangareddy, and Bhadradri Kottagudem. So coming to the AP people, Andhra Pradesh people can also appear this exam in Andhra Pradesh itself for Kurnool, Tirupati, Vijayawada, and Vishakhapatnam. These are the places they can appear this examination in their respective districts itself. Then coming to the syllabus, it is being segregated into three parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C. So part A consisting of general knowledge and mental ability. So you get 30 questions from this. From general awareness includes like history, geography, economics, logical reasoning, environmental science. Mental ability section includes syllogisms, number series, puzzles, algebra, blood relations, direction based questions, etc. And current affairs in part B, that consisting of 30 questions again for 30 marks. It consisting of national international events, that is international relations as well as events, and news of national importance. Then latest appointments like persons in news and sports, awards, etc. etc. And part C consisting of aptitude for study of law, which consisting of 60 questions, which is again divided into two parts. That is 30 for legal aptitude and 30 for Indian Constitution. So Constitution of India, constitutional rights, fundamental duties, DPSP, then about central government, about state government, that is president and governor, prime minister and chief minister, and council of ministers of central and state, parliament and assembly, supreme court and high court. In such a way, the questions will be from the Constitution of India, and then from the legal aptitude, the questions will be from contract law, torts law, family law, environmental law. Then the questions will be from like investment and securities law, then company law, uh, like various. So wherever we are having the civil and criminal cases, the questions will be like it will be asked. Okay, following. So not only from that, even from the Indian jurisdiction judiciary system, so judiciary point of view. So the question will be asked from Supreme Court and High Court. The important cases related to Supreme Court and High Court, like uh, very like landmark cases. Okay, following. So all this we can discuss in the classroom. So total 120 questions will be asked. Here you see 30 plus 30 plus 60. So total 120 questions and 120 marks. So 120 questions will be asked within 90 minutes, my dear friends. Time allocated is only 1.5 hour. You can see here. You can see here. You see, this is 10:30 a.m. to 12 noon, means nothing but it is only 1.5 hour, 90 minutes it is. The next, coming to the eligibility criteria to appear for TS PG set. So this is exclusively for PG students, that is LLM. So people who are going to obtain LLM. So for them, the minimum qualification is 5 year or 3 year LLB they must finish, or else they must be pursuing the final year examination, that is final semester examination. By the time of selection, that is counseling, they must have finished their courses. So coming to the website, it is lawcet.tsch.ac.in, and do not forget that 1st March to 15th April is the last date. Okay, so this is the duration of the application. And we MK Prime Studies offer you coaching, which is available online as well as offline. As of now, we are starting online classes from 1st of March. And meantime, for every week, we try to start a new batch here online. And coming to offline, it as of now, we doesn't have any like idea of starting offline batches this year, but hopefully we see. So based on the number of calls we receive, based on the inquiries, we'll decide. And here comes, that is MK Prime Studies, that is a one-stop solution for various examinations like TSPSC, IBPS, that is for bank examinations, for clerical or POS examinations, and then SSC examinations like SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, SSC GD Constable or whatnot, and then Railway Recruitment Board examinations and Lawcet. And you can call us on 9030496929, and myself S Madhukiran, I am available online for you. You can just pin me or you can WhatsApp me regarding the application of Lawcet, and you can have a guidance regarding the like preparation also. If you're not even able to take coaching, so do not worry, I'll give you the guidance. So what to prepare and what to not, what not to prepare, how to prepare, and what are the books, etc., etc. And regarding the books, and for the next session, I'll be taking a complete session regarding the syllabus exclusively as well as the books. Okay, so thank you very much, and wish you all the best for LASET 2024, and especially wish you all the best for intermediate second year students who are going to appear examinations from tomorrow, that is 29th February 2024. Good luck. Thank you. Have a nice day.